Hi and welcome. I wanted to show you this selfie stick. So I normally am not the type of person to do selfies, but I needed like a phone mount or something that I can have for filming some videos. So I thought I would give this a try. So I'm so far very impressed with it. This is the area where you would put your phone, and I just want to show you a few features. So you can put your phone by extending these little tabs in the event that you don't have like that MagSafe magnet on your case, and then you extend. Let me just go ahead and grab it from here. You extend these. So the only thing I do want to mention is I have a larger phone and I was able to fit it in here, but to take it out, I don't know, it wasn't that easy, and I kind of tried to like shimmy it out, and it did kind of scratch up the side and the back of my case. But then I discovered that if you fold these tabs, you can attach your phone here if it's a MagSafe phone, or if it has a magnet on the back, which mine does. So that is much more helpful for me, and I like the versatility. Also, I'm not sure why, but this, or why you would need to use this, but this phone mount here can come off the stick itself. Let me go ahead and just try to remember how I did it right now. All right, sorry, I needed to put my thumb on here, and then I am using one hand right now. So yeah, so you can remove this. I'm not too sure why you would need to do that, but that is an option. So like I said, lots of versatility with this selfie stick. It's a pretty large or long length. It's almost about the length of my forearm, so you get a good amount of height. This part here where it holds the phone is, you can swivel it around, and then you can lock it in place. Now back here you have a little adapter in case you want to hook up like a light or any other device. This is pretty common adapter right here, or connection. Now the selfie stick itself has a remote built into it, which is super cool. It is very compact, and another awesome thing is they're going to include an extra battery, which is really nice. There's also really nice detailed instructions, so you'll know all the features it has. So you power it on, and then you connect it to the Bluetooth, and this is your capture mode, so you can take a photo or start recording. And then to use this as a tripod, you just press down this button here, and it'll extend it. So that's really neat. One thing that I did wish that it had is, you won't notice it here, and I'm going to show you on a different surface because this is a cloth surface. It'll stop wherever I want it to. So if I wanted to stop here or here, it will. But let me go ahead and put it on a smooth surface so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, and here is a smooth surface, so it keeps stretching out. It doesn't kind of lock in place. So it's something to keep in mind if you're trying to kind of not have such a large footprint. As you can see right here, I did look around on the manual to see if there's any way to kind of lock this in place, and I didn't find anything. So again, you don't have that problem if you maybe have a non-smooth surface or concrete or grass, but like on a table, a slick table, it will kind of fully open. But I do like how easy it is to just kind of press back into place and have it close up. But overall, I think this is a really nice selfie stick. I've seen some other ones, and they don't seem as well made as these. Like I mentioned, I don't own one, but I do own tripods, and this is such a versatile and well made, I'm going to call it tripod, but yeah, it's so versatile. I strongly recommend you check this out. I think you really like it.
It synced up really fast, no problem. I don't have the magnet case, so I have to use the grabber hickeys, which are really strong, and this just snaps right in there like a magnet. It goes super tall, woo, super tall, and it closes up really easy. And then this is tilting, and this is tilting. That's the awesome, I haven't seen one tilt like that before. And this is the fun part. Apparently I can do this with one hand. To open it, make sure that it's actually in the shot, you just slam it down. You probably don't even have to slam it. And it just pops open. Of course, you can just walk around holding it. One thing is, you cannot use it with a pop socket. So it's too thick. So I had to take my pop socket case off of my phone to use it. But let's see if I can actually do this with one hand. So, yeah. But Wait, I got it. There we go. So yeah, it braces really good. You don't have to have the magnet. It has lots of options. Came with an extra battery for the selfie remote. The instructions look crazy, but only a portion of it is English, so I folded mine to be easier to read. Yeah, it's easy to use and seems really sturdy and functional. I like it.
Bene amici, oggi vi faccio vedere il miglior bastone per selfie che io abbia mai avuto e provato. Allora, innanzitutto ha questo bottone qui che se premuto oppure sbattuto un po' in terra apre automaticamente il bastone, vedete che si apre da solo. Poi le gambe sono ben robuste e larghe e anche l'asta estensibile è abbastanza robusta e larga, a differenza di quelle più fine che si rompono più facilmente. Poi comunque dovete fare attenzione, non lo dovete chiudere con forza, però è ottima. Poi arriva ad un'altezza di 172 cm, quindi è altissimo. Inoltre l'asta estensibile è molto larga e robusta. Che il supporto che regge il telefono ha questa parte qui magnetica, quindi si può attaccare magneticamente. Oltre a questo potete tirare fuori queste linguette e poi ci potete andare ad attaccare il telefonino. Questa parte qui si adatta a varie larghezze di telefonino. Oltre a questo potete girarlo a 360 gradi a scatti, a seconda di quello che vi serve filmare. La presa della pinza è molto forte, quindi il supporto è buono. Quando avete finito si chiude molto bene, perché basta allentarlo e si va a richiudere quasi da solo, occupando poco spazio nello zaino. Fra l'altro è molto leggero per essere così di buona qualità. Sopra ha anche l'avvitamento per le fotocamere, tante volte lo dovete usare con una foto. Questa parte qui include un telecomando che ha sia il bottone per fare lo scatto della foto selfie, ma anche il bottone per attivare o disattivare il telecomando in modo da risparmiare la batteria. Oltre a questo è magnetico, quindi vedete che si posiziona quasi da solo nella sua fessura. Il magnete è molto forte, quindi non si perde.
Hello, welcome to the video review for this SelfieShow stick. Kind of a cool little thing. I use it as a tripod. You can also use it as a selfie stick. It has an on-off switch, and we'll start looking for a Bluetooth signal, I believe. With a push button right there, you can take a photo. As you can see, it has several. So you put your device in there. It pretty much just fits a phone. So just put that in there and stretch it out and turn it all sorts of ways. You can adjust it through here, and the cool thing is you can do this with your hand, but you can just, and it pulls it right out, and then it telescopes out. It has a ton of telescope range. Like, it just keeps going and going and going. It gets really tall, honestly. Alright, and it's really stable. Anyways, pretty good product. Really simple, extremely compact, and effective. Hope this helps.